So I thought I'd just share this with everyone because I think it's pretty neat. I just bought this record player. Yes, it is a record player. It is a 1973 RCA record player. So it has, it's a, not just a record player, but it has a record player, stereo 8, and a radio in it. This was manufactured in 1973. So I thought it was pretty cool. I bought it. I got it for 50 bucks. Almost everything works. Radio works. Let me turn to radio.
Remind parents about getting their children.
Radio works. The phone works. The stereo 8 tape works. Give it a second. And the record player works.
Steve Stoller took another pounding on.
So, anyways, just wanted to show you guys that everything works. Everything works on this. It's actually pretty cool. But the real thing that I wanted to show you guys is this. So this is a stereo 8 adapter to a tape. So it's an adapter for a tape, for a regular cassette tape. This is a cassette tape adapter to an auxiliary cord. So I was just wondering if I could plug this into this and get an auxiliary cord coming off that and play music from my phone on these speakers. It would be really cool. So let's just go ahead and try it. And it has a right here. It has a fast forward, stop, and play button. Sorry, it's a little fuzzy there. So that's pretty neat. Okay, so that we got red light. That looks good. Let's see what we got. Plugging it in. Alright. We'll just hit play on my Spotify. Oh, this is it. Huh. Well, doesn't look like it's playing now. Power wasn't on. It was moving, but the power wasn't on. But Bowling for Soup, playing on a 1973 RCA record player. Well, everything here. Playing on a Mark 8 stereo. It's pretty awesome.